Well, I got some gussets cut today. What? Where are you going? What are you looking at? Hey, my buddy Tank here. We're sitting here drinking because I don't ever drink. So I figured I'd go ahead and have me a drink because I don't ever drink. What? Why are you calling him over there? What are you doing? Got all the rims up over there. I just cut me the gussets off of this right now. I'm going to get to welding these here pretty soon. That way we can have the gussets on the upper bag mounts. I got both of those cut and ready to go. On the bottom one, we don't have to put really strong gussets because it doesn't really need it that much. I might put just a little triangulated piece right there on the side, just to kind of toughen it up. And like I said, I still got to put that weld on the back side of this, but I'll get those welded up real quick and get that done. Like I said, we've got the cardboard on the back so that we don't splash the back anymore. We got everything lined out with the lug nuts and getting them shaved down, so now that's going to fit right. I've been selling all kinds of stuff on Facebook Marketplace here all day today. So far I think I made about $200. That's good. That's money that can go back towards more parts. Oh, excuse me. I gotta figure out what else I need to sell. If anybody want to know, no, the welder is still there. There's somebody, I forget who the hell wants to buy it, but he said he wanted to buy it. It's still there though. All right, they're all doing something over there. What are you doing?
We were looking at the stump.
Oh yeah, we got a stump back there we need to remove.
It's rotten now. We can just hack at it.
Is that what he said?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to get back to doing some more of this stuff. We can get done. We're about halfway through the day now. It's actually 3 o'clock. But I want to try to get a full video out to you guys so that you guys can have another video for the weekend. Oh, my God. We're going to have 2 videos this weekend. We're trying to make up for lost time. Let's get this shit done. I'm going to try to get a couple of the cross members done today. We still have that long piece of steel right there. We need to start using it.
On concrete now.
Why we gotta walk uphill?
Oh, it's so crazy, man. We're like walking on concrete.
Look at this Jeep. That's a good looking Jeep right there.
And then gravel. But you see that?
What?
I'm going foul.
There ain't nothing getting done on that thing. Damn you, Lawrence.
It ain't getting done because...
Ain't getting done because why?
Because you're too busy drinking and YouTubing about and Facebooking and Snapchatting about shit that really doesn't matter.
What are you doing over there, sexy?
That's weird. This tastes like vanilla, but wait, no. This is what I put in my drink. I keep tasting vanilla, but nothing on this bottle says anything about vanilla. So why the hell do I keep tasting vanilla?
Because you're white.
Yeah, I am. I'm a white guy with a black dick.
Oh, shit. God damn it. I can't. I'm not going to edit that out. I'm just not. That's just the way it is.
Hey, you said soil. I hope you fart and I blow your ass.
Look, hey, you turned off one.
Oh, fuck, dude, that's hot.
I'm telling. That's why I say you're gonna light your butt on
Why
fire.
did one go out?
Cause you rocked it. It's got a valve on it that's level sensitive.
So how do you get it to go again?
I did go ahead and weld this inside right here, and I welded this side right here, and this one right there. I've got this one set up. All I got to do is get over there and weld that one.
And I watched him weld this for the first time in my life. I watched a weld with a welding mask. It's amazing. If you never experienced that, it's totally amazing.
Right there. That's what he watched.
Now this one's not quite as good as that one. This one's a lot better. This one is awesome. This one is like...
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay, but it's got some shit going on.
What about the one going down? Up that one right there.
Did I not see you do that one?
No, you didn't watch that one.
Dude, that one looks good.
Okay.
Dude, that's a really good weld.
Thank you. Oh my God. Alright. I'm gonna get over here. And as drunk as I am, I'm gonna weld this one. I gotta weld that edge right there. And I gotta weld these gussets on here because I really want to get that done this weekend. If I don't get nothing done, I gotta get at least those done right there. Because, yeah, I gotta get something done.
Hey, I'll weld it for you. I'll weld it for you.
You'll weld it for me?
Hey, you taught me good.
I showed you. I didn't teach you nothing.
I can probably do it.
We're going to wait for you to weld on just two pieces of metal together. Not this.
Good advice right there.
Good advice? All right, let's get this done. Done. Alright, I got that side done. You guys saw that. I put the bag on. Haven't really gotten it all done up, but got this side done. So I actually got both bag mounts done. And I got the back all done up. Everybody's trying to play some games tonight. So, there it is. I didn't get any cross members done, but, you know, that's what happens when you get drunk. I mean, you just kind of have a good time. But yeah, I'm trying to work out. See, look, he's even trying to pick his nose. But he like totally missed because he's on the outside of it. Emma, if you watch this, we really wish you were here. But, you know, it's whatever. You had to do what you had to do. All right. So anyway, that's all done. We got the heat on out here. We're doing pretty good. Still got that one wheel on because it looks freaking sexy as hell. I think the jack is like starting to fall down because this should be tucked up in there a little higher. But all right, we're going to get back to having a good time and just whatever. Thank you for watching. I really wanted to get more done, but the alcohol took over my life, and I don't know what else to say about that. I found a little bottle after I bought the big bottle. Good stuff. Y'all have a good weekend. I'll talk to you guys next weekend.